Hi, I'm Somanimus. Today we're going to learn how to fix the most common corruption errors. They often look like this or that. Usually, they occur because you have moved or deleted files in your project. We'll cover that in 4 minutes. Let's go! Let's break our project. I go to my level script and I will add the next level attribute of type packed scene. In my level 1 scene, I go to the next level fields and I drag and drop level 2. In my level 2, you can see that we have some gear pickups that we don't have in level 1. So what happens if I delete the gear scene? Let's find out. I right click the scene and then click delete. And I close my gear scene without saving. And I restart the project to ensure there's no file cached. Now our level 2 is broken. What about our level 1? It's corrupt as well. It is because level 1 was linked to level 2 through the next level attribute. Now in Godot we're kind of stuck, so we need to go to the file system to check what's going on in the files. We're going to open our level 1 with Notepad or any text editor. Before that, it's good to create a backup just in case. This is what our scene files look like. It can look scary, but it's actually not that complicated. On top, you have the declaration of all your resources, and at the bottom, you have all the nodes present in your scene. For more clarity, I'm going to organize all the packed scene together and the rest at the top. Now we can check one by one if our resources are present in the project. It's there, so let's look for our second element, interactable TRS. Also there. Now let's open our scenes one by one and check if they are working fine. And our level 2 cannot be opened. So we can assume that it's the reason for which level 1 is also broken. We open our level 2 scene and we organize the resources in the same way. We already checked our script and our tile set, so no need to do it again. So let's open the scenes. UI layer is working fine. Our command screen scene working fine as well. You understood the idea, so now I'm going to fast forward. Everything's working fine, except our gear. It's not there. Okay, that's what causes the issue. We need to remove all the gear references in our scene. For this, we copy the ID and we search it in the file. You can see all the nodes there. So we're going to remove all of them. Once done, we restart our project. And our level 2 is fixed. No gear, but everything's fine. And level 1, good as well. We can try to play. And it seems that we just saved our project. Well done. Now you can keep cool when it seems that your project self-destructed. If you want to feel even safer, consider using a versioning tool like Git. It could really save your project. If this was useful, click the like button and subscribe to see more short tutorials like this one. See you soon!